Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to apply PS5 GTA 5 cheat codes. Now I'm going to apply the cheat code, okay, with the full armor. So I need to bring up the phone. So here I need to press this contact and then square to dial up. So I'm going to enter 1999 for full armors, 1999 866 587. Okay. So this is a number. So I'm going to press a dial by square, pressing the square button. It's activated. Now I'm pressing this L1. So I got all the armors. Super cool, right? Example, I'm going to apply some of the cheat codes, okay, instead of phone number. Also, I'll be providing the phone number here to get the helicopter. So here I need to press circle, circle, L1, circle, 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 L1, L2, R1, triangle, and circle, triangle. So here you can see the helicopter is generated. Actually, yes, here. See? Okay. Now I'm going to get in. Okay, and then now I'm going to start. So it's going, I think. Yes. So that's it, friends. Now you can go through this helicopter. Now I'm going to bring some sports car here just by pressing, just dialing up. So square 1 999 26638. Yes. Wow, I think it's a Bosch. Wow, super cool. Now I'm going to bring this flight here by pressing, oh god. Okay. Dialing up. 1 999 227 678 676. Wow, my flight is here, so I'm going to wow. Oh god. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can apply the cheat codes on your PS5. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks, media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.